no C.
No, I don't wanna collab. No, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. The intro is an ongoing thing that is like, I want to change it, but my brain wants to stick to what I know. So we're just going to skip that part. I want to say, hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am here with the hair video. It's been a while, I know, but if you over there on TikTok, you're up to date. I've been keeping y'all up to date on the lock journey on TikTok, but I figured it was time for me to sit down and go ahead and give it to my YouTube fam as well. Today is June 1st, which puts me at 1 year and I'm a few weeks shy of 5 months locked, because I have had an influx of subscribers here lately and I'm so grateful for you guys that are here, and then also for my subscribers that have been here since day one. For those who may be new, I do want to very quickly go over some of my frequently asked questions as it pertains to my locks. That way we can just knock that out the way early. So first things first, I installed my locks myself January 2023. I am not a professional. I just love to do my hair, and I did a shit ton of research before I locked my hair. I do have Microlocs, not sister locks. Microlocs are just small locks, typically 200 or more, that are installed however, in whatever way that you want. Sister locks are in a very specific way. Your grid pattern is measured to your head, and it is done by a sister lock consultant, which I am not. In total, at the time of installation, I had 284, I think. 280-ish locks. I have lost a few. I have combined some. So I have not recounted my locks since install, but when people ask, I typically say around 280 because I feel like that's most realistic, and I don't really care to recount them, to be honest. If y'all want me to take the time to recount my locks, let me know, but what are you going to do with that information other than know it? I think that's pretty much it. If you want to know about like my hair texture prior to locking my hair, guess what? This channel has 10 years of hair content. I will specifically link the categorizing my natural hair video on screen, so you can take a look at that if you have any questions. In regards to frequently asked questions, I think that's pretty much it. If you have any that I did not answer here in the intro, or that I don't answer throughout the entirety of the video, please leave a comment down below and I will semi-promptly answer your question. I do want to very quickly go over the products that I'm currently using. So fun fact, I don't know, have I purchased any new products in the last year? I'm sure that I have, but it's barely been any. It probably was mousse and a leave-in conditioner. I have essentially been using a lot of my leftover products from when I was loose natural. I got rid of all of my like creams and gels. I gave them away or threw some out, and I kept all of my shampoos, leave-in conditioners, and like obviously my oils. But I have about 3 different shampoos that I use. Clean hair is clean hair, and my hair is locked, so the moisture aspect of shampoo, it makes a little bit of a difference, but not a lot. I have used the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner and the Mael honey and pomegranate leave-in conditioner for the ends of my hair, especially my bleached area. I have used Olaplex number 3, that treatment on my hair when I was fully color treated and had my hair loose. I loved it, but I don't know that I'm seeing the same benefits with my hair locked as I did when my hair was loose. Obviously, I use my Crown Care Collection hair growth oils. That is my brand of herbal oils that I make and sell online. Check out my website if you're interested. And then I also do make my own hairspray. I don't use a lot of other things. I very rarely use mousse. I used it more in the beginning when I had all that bunching and I was trying to keep my ends under control. But now I kind of just like, I might grab it, I might not. It doesn't really make a difference for me. There are some products that I'm interested in trying out in the future, but I am holding steadfast to I must use all my old products first before I can buy new ones, because I'm being responsible. In terms of styling, so because of the length of my hair, and for me, and because I did not want to over manipulate my hair when the locking process was happening. If you're constantly like pulling your hair up and pulling it back and twisting it down, it slows the locking process because your hair is not being able to like condense and compact and wrap around each other if it's being stretched out. First 6-7 months, I tried really hard not to style my hair. I might have did some twist backs or a little, I couldn't really do a ponytail for a long time. My hair wasn't long enough. But like ponytails, some twist backs, maybe like pin it back with some bobby pins. I would do things like that in the beginning. Now that my hair is starting to get longer, I do pull it back in ponytails more often, but I try not to do that too often because I don't want to put too much tension on my hair. It does still take a little bit of effort to get my hair pulled back at the current length. But I do this half up, half down has pretty much been my go-to when I don't want my hair in my face. I've done the space buns, half up, half down. That's really cute. My favorite style to date is when I take my bangs while they're wet and I kind of swoop them across my face, but I have to put a lot of bobby pins in my hair in order for that to stay. So I can't wait till my hair is long enough to do that easily. That will probably be like my go-to cute style. And then lastly, I love to just do straight backs, like a flat twist or just cornrows. I'll do like 4, I'll do 6, or my favorite, I just do 2 fat French braids and then pin it in the back so that the little tails aren't hanging. That is my favorite hairstyle when I'm not really feeling my hair, I don't really feel like doing it, or if I need a retie. When I need a retie, you'll see my hair in them 2 fat braids all the time because it looks good to me, and as long as I do my baby hairs, you can't really tell. Oh, and braid outs. I feel like braid outs are going to be my absolute favorite when my hair gets really long. Now when I do them, I really like the curl pattern, but my hair kind of sticks in random directions, and that's just because of the length of my hair. I can't wait until she's long enough to really rock a braid out. So lastly, I want to go into how I've been feeling about my locks. The past 2 or 3 months, I felt very bored with my hair, mainly because most of the noticeable changes for the locking process and the maturing process have already happened. So the excitement of like my locks being new and me getting to see her change and things like that, the excitement is pretty much gone, and now it's just like, okay, they're pretty mature. Now I'm ready for my hair to be long. That's really how I've been feeling, and it has made me really start to miss my loose natural hair. If you've been following me on this channel long enough, you know how much I love to switch it up, how much I love having my hands in my hair and doing different things. When I'm feeling like that, I may throw on a wig or put a head wrap on or something like that, but I just know that this is a phase. I in no way, shape, or form regret my locks. I have no intention of combing them out. I just know this is kind of like a lull or like a plateau that I'm currently in, probably honestly until the tops of my, like this part of my hair falls like down, because right now it kind of just like sticks out, or it's like right in my eyes, and I just don't love that look. But I am embracing the journey and I'm enjoying my hair in every phase. Okay, I do want to like embarrass the shit out of myself and tell y'all about my loose ends phenomenon, moment. I don't even know what to call it, because it was like a 3-day obsession with like, you know what, I really like the Microlocs with the curly ends. I'm gonna comb out my ends. And I sat on it for 2 days, and then the next day I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. And I sectioned up my hair. I was recording, so I have footage. I don't know how much of it I want to show y'all because it's kind of embarrassing. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do this other than wet it and comb it out. Okay, here she is. I don't think conditioner is necessary. I know I'm gonna lose a little bit of hair when I start this. I want more than that, but it's taking so long. Yeah, and I want to do at least like that much. This is gonna take a while. I started trying to comb these little things out. I got to this point right here and I said, child, I'm not doing this. Why would I do this? Why? My thought process was, I'm bored with my hair, and if my ends are loose, that will give me something to maintenance and take care of, and it would give me something to do. But there's two reasons why I don't like that. Number one, the process of actually combing out my locks. No thank you. I tried. I genuinely tried, and I was like, this is some bullshit. I'm not doing it. And because my hair is not super dense, like I have enough hair on my head for it to be full and my locks to be full, but I don't have like super thick hair. So me combing out the ends and all of the shed hair that's been compacted, my lock is this long. If I'm combing out and like losing hair, it's just gonna thin out. And even in some of my like thicker locks, I was just like, I don't want to do that. It's not worth it. Denasiha, get over yourself. Leave your hair alone. She's healthy. The locks are strong. They're maturing. Sit your ass down somewhere. And I decided, no, I'm not going to do that. Again, I'm enjoying the journey. As much as I miss my curls and my fro, I had 10 years of that, and I am thoroughly enjoying the low maintenance piece to having locks. Yes, reties take a long time. But it's the only time a month that I really have to do my hair. I've been doing live sessions on TikTok of me retying my hair, so mostly I will do all my hair up until I get to this top crown, and then I'll hop on live and I'll continue to do my hair, but like talk to you guys and answer questions and just chit chat about whatever. And I normally have my music playing in the background, and it is a vibe, and it makes the retie process seem easier and go by faster when I'm talking to people. So I really like that. I would like to eventually transition that over to YouTube, especially we know what's going on with TikTok. I don't know when that's gonna happen. I love my TikTok followers or friends. I don't know what to call it. I just want to call y'all friends. I don't care about followers. I ain't doing nothing for you to follow for real. But I love my TikTok friends. I'm gonna try to start migrating them over here because YouTube is really where my heart is and where I want to be giving most, if not all, of my attention. So yeah, we'll see about that. If you're interested in it, please let me know. There is more to come in the wellness area. I will soon be starting a new series, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, if there's any questions that you have regarding my locks or my lock journey or where I've been or what's going on my channel, the comment box is open. I am open. Just keep the negative shit to yourself. Okay? Okay. So, as always, thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. Don't forget to check and subscribe with yourself before you subscribe to me or anybody else. But if you're good, and if you're good, then and only then can you subscribe to my channel. Because like I say all the time, we all got our mess. I got my own mess. I don't want yours. Okay? Okay. I love y'all. See you later.